I just discovered another platform that has free AI tools. I use it to create these videos that you can see. Free, oh. It has Grok AI, it has Seedance, it has VEO, just name it, any model that you want. This platform has it. And I'm going to take you guys through step by step, and you'll be able to create your own video too and make money with it and become a pro. Yeah, I'm also going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create prompts for images and video. Trust me, even if you don't know any story, ChatGPT will help you to create it. Now let's start making some video. Let's get into this video. Don't skip any part, or relax and watch the end so that you will not miss any part and you'll be able to create it on your own. Open your browser and type Diagen AI. Diagen AI. Then it will open to this place. You click on it, the first one, Diagen AI. Then it will open into this interface for you to be able to edit any video and images with free AI tool. Now we're going to sign in. You see where on the line, tap on the place. You either sign in with your email, then you put in your password. But I don't want us to use this method because they will limit you to create long videos. I'm going to show you a way in which you can create longer videos with unlimited credit. Now you see this place that you should sign up for free. You tap on that place. Then it will open this place for you. Then you are going to go to your browser. Yes, you open your browser again. Then you type temp mail. All right, temp mail. We're going to be creating a temporary mail. So once it's open to this place, you see where you wrote temp mail. This one that has a green stuff. You type on it. Then when you tap on it, it will open this temp mail interface for you. Then you see a loading. I'll allow it to load. When it's loaded, they'll give you a mail, a new mail address. See it. Then you scroll down. Then you click delete to delete that first one. Then it will load again and give you a fresh mail, a fresh new mail. That's when you're going to be using. Then you copy it. You click on it to copy. Once you copy it, you go back to that platform that we are using to generate free AI with free AI tools. See, copy, go back, you paste the mail. Once you paste the mail, you tap on send code. You see, to do code sent. Then you go back to that temp mail. See, you go back there, then you scroll down, see the code, they will send the code there. You copy the code, you go back to that platform. Go back, so you type, paste the code, then you go. Then immediately they will open this interface for you. Then you type in a new password, confirm the new password, then you'll be able to log in and you see successfully signed up. Now you can create as many videos as you like, unlimited credits. You see this place that you wrote describe the video, you see that plus sign, you tap on it. With that icon, you can upload any image from your gallery, but that's not what we're going to be doing. Now we'll go to your ChatGPT. I'm going to be showing you how to create a prompt. I want a video where a mother is advising her son. Like, I want that type of story. So I told ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. If you read what I wrote, you would see that that's what I was telling ChatGPT. And they created this short story for me. It's a dialogue. Then I'll just, all I need to do, you can create any story you like. Oh, me, this is the one I want. That's what I told ChatGPT to do for me. You can do your own. Then I'll copy the prompts ChatGPT gave me. Then I'll take it back to that platform. You know, like I'll do is paste it. Very easy. You paste. You see this place here. This are where all the models are. Grok AI, Seedance, VEO, anyone, a lot of model. You pick your choice. You see these three dots, you type on it. You set your duration, orientation, speed, resolution, and you generate your video. It's as easy as this. In less than 2 minutes, your video will be ready. Then you save and it will automatically save to your gallery or your photos. Now just listen. Look at how sharp the video and audio is.
My son, life is not always easy.
Mama, what should I do?
I will keep
Let's
working.
create another video with ChatGPT. You know the former story, we used a dialogue to create this video. Now we're going to be using an image. So just tell ChatGPT any story you want it to create for you and to create a prompt. That's what I did here. I told ChatGPT to create a story about a girl in a forest that is being bullied by some boys. And they created a story, they gave me the prompt. Now I'm going to be copying this image prompt. This is not a dialogue. Now we're using an image prompt. You copy it, then you go back to that platform. Then you paste. Once you paste, you select your model the same way I told you. That's the free AI tool you want to use. That's Grok, Seedance, anyone. Then you click the three dots, pick the duration, the resolution, everything. Then you generate. It's just as easy as it is. Just follow these easy, simple steps I'm showing you, and trust me, you will be able to create your own with these free AI tools and start making money with it. Look at the videos generating in less than 2 minutes. You get a clean video with a crisp audio. Now, listen, watch and listen. Personally, I like creating short clips of my own stories, then I would join them together with an editing app. So to continue the story, I would go back to ChatGPT, copy the other part of the prompt, come back here, paste it, generate it. See, just easy. That dot, just tap on that three dots, select the duration, the orientation, whether it's 9.16, whether it's 16.9, select the speed, everything. Then you generate your image. Very easy. You can decide to use Grok AI, Seedance, Video. There are so many AI tools that are free. You will not even know the one to use because there are a lot. Just pick the one you like. Look at it, generated the other parts of the story for me. So you can just create as many videos as you like till you feel the video is long enough. Now, I want to create another story. I want to show you guys that this platform can generate any story, be it animal story, cartoon characters, anime, anyone. See, now I told ChatGPT, create a story about a man looking for money. I am telling you guys, there's no story ChatGPT cannot create. See, ChatGPT created the story, gave me the prompt. See, the character consistency, the scenes, the image prompts, the dialogue. ChatGPT is capable of doing anything you tell it to do. Then it's just for me to copy the parts I want to copy. I'll copy it and I'll go back to the platform. I would paste it there. Select the AI tool I want to use, be it Grok AI, Seedance, be any one you like. Then you tap on that same three dots. You would select your time, the speed, be it 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, any one you like is your choice. Then you would generate your image.
The mystery has remained hidden for generations, buried beneath the very stones. The mystery has remained hidden for generations, buried beneath the very stones we walk.
Are you seeing how easy it is? We've created 3 videos so far and we still have lots of credit. Look at, we still have like 240 credit that can reach you to create a very long video, very long stories. If you tap on this place I underlined, you'll see this icon where you can use to access all the story you've created, or where you can, open a new space. Good. Now let's create another story. We'll go back to our ChatGPT app. We'll tell ChatGPT to create a new story prompt for us. This time around, we're going to be creating animal characters. We're going to be creating animal stories. Now, I told ChatGPT to give me a story of different animals talking together, Just play with ChatGPT, just freestyle, anything you want ChatGPT to create for you, any story, anything to give you the prompt. Then I copied it, then I went back to that platform, pasted it. I selected the AI tool I wanted to use because I told you guys there's Grok AI, there's Seedance, there's VEO. There are a lot of free AI tools for you to explore. Look at it, just pick your choice. I selected this one, then I choose the duration. There's 5 seconds, there's 10 seconds. Just select the duration, then you select resolution, then you generate your video. Look at it, it does not even take time. Lastly, I created this mother and son dialogue video for you guys to watch. Now, I hope you've been able to learn one or two from this video. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. I would do well to answer you. Thanks for watching my video. I love you all.
Welcome
Bye.
home, David. How was school today?
It was okay, Mom. I learned a lot, but some things are